Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
As you know that in English paper there were some controversial statements made by the paper setters in the 10th standard examination. So the Goa Board appointed one committee to study this issue, and yesterday they presented an interim report on this issue, and today it was put before our EC committee, that is Executive Council Committee. So it was discussed, and now committee has taken decision to give some more time to the committee of some 8-10 days to present some more facts. I am making some more investigations.
ओके पण त्यांनी कोणाचेर अशें घातला चार्जीस?
No, the EC has of the opinion that there is some prima facie relevancy in the statements which are made in English paper
ओके
of the teachers.
सो तिंचो फायनल रिपोर्ट येपर्यंत
Yeah, the final report we have told them to give after some 8-10 days, so which they are going to give.
एक टीचर खंयची रिस्पॉन्सिबल आहा? ग्रुप म्हणजे ग्रुप आसता न्हू एक्चुअल पेपर सेट करपाक?
Yeah, there are paper setters as well as there are chief paper setters. So the committee has interrogated all these teachers.
ओके सो एकट्या कोणाचे चार्जीस आहा काय कशें कितें?
No, that we are going to, that I cannot disclose because of the confidentiality.
भ्रष्टाचाराक लागून गोंयाक मार बसला. गोंयाक जॉब सापूच उणे, फावरा बगर नोकरी मेळना. ताका लागून पुर्तुगेज पासपोर्ट करता असो हो वादग्रस्त प्रश्न 10वेच्या इंग्लीश पेपरात आयलो आनी सरकार पक्षातूच खवदळ पडलो. विरोधकांक आयते कोलीत. चवकशी करूंक शिक्षण खातें आनी शिक्षण मंडळान स्वतंत्र समित्यो नेमल्यो. शुक्रारा जाल्या ती मंडळाच्या चवकशी समितीची बसका. पेपर सेटरांनी केल्ल्या कांडात प्राथमीक तथ्य दिसला इतले खरे. प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकीक शिलकार आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट शिरीश कुंकळेकार.